Hey guys, this is Teddy and I am back with another short video for you. And today I'd like to give a massive thanks to Newegg for sending me over the Tryx Panorama SE 360 ARGB. It's a 360mm AIO with enough cooling power to wrangle my Ryzen 9 9950X 3D. The whole build is going inside of the Xtia Xproto L V2, an open-air minimalist ITX chassis that looks like it belongs on a space station. I've got a Gigabyte X870i Pro Ice, 64 gigabytes of T-Create DDR5 at 6,000 megatransfers per second, and the ASUS TUF RTX 5080 OC, because why not? The full build video is coming. It's an ITX bleeding edge hardware, open air madness, so stay tuned. Thank you, and I'll see you soon. Teedster out.